I just want to say one thing. I'm not going to be heating up my eyelash curler with my hairdryer because I've done that and I've had accidents. I will not recommend it. Like, it might work for some, but I'm not going to advise it because it's dangerous, okay? Like, I don't want you all to hurt yourself. So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for always coming back. Also, it's very important to hit that bell icon because apparently YouTube does not notify you when I upload a video even if you are subscribed. I did not know that, so it's important. Okay, please do it. So today's video is going to be like quick and on point. Okay, so it's going to be about our lashes, so let's get started. So before we start out with my routine, I just want to say a couple of things about my lashes. I think I've mentioned this in one of my previous videos as well. They are pin straight. In fact, they point downwards and they block my vision. So I'm yet to find a person who has lashes like mine. So if someone's watching me out there and you have lashes like mine, please let me know in the comments that I am not alone. So I'll put a clip of what my lashes look like in here so that you can get an idea of how straight they are. As a child, when I got hold of a scissors, I once did cut them off halfway through because I was a fan of being able to see things, and that's why they are all weird and growing in every possible direction. So the only thing I do as a part of my, I don't know, lash care routine, I don't know if that's a thing, but the only thing I do is I put castor oil on them. So at night I'll just take a Q-tip and put some on my the base of my lash line and even on my eyebrows. It's not going to transform your eyelashes or anything, but and also it's not something that will show any difference in a week or anything. I have not tried any of those lash serums, and there are a lot of things that you get for your lashes lengthening and all that. I have not tried any of them. I do want to, but I just never did. So if any of y'all have, please let me know which one's good, if it works. And the most important thing for people who have straight lashes is this: you need an eyelash curler. I've been using an eyelash curler since, I don't know, I was 12 maybe, because it was actually blocking my vision and my dad actually got me one. So yeah, so I've used all kinds of eyelash curlers. I've used ones from the drugstore, the ones from Daiso, the ones from supermarkets. I've used it all, but I will not suggest it. It's okay to use it. I've used that for, I don't know, the better half of my life, but there is a difference. I used to think that expensive eyelash curlers will not make any difference. I mean, see, if you don't have very problematic lashes, then it's fine, you can still use them, but be very careful with them. You need to change them at least every 3 months or 4 months because they're very cheap, so it's okay, you can change them. But otherwise, I will suggest you invest in a good eyelash curler. That's important. I use the one from MAC. It actually does a good job for me, so I would totally recommend this. Also from the drugstore, Revlon makes a really nice eyelash curler. I would highly suggest it. I also want to mention one more thing about your eyelash curler. There's a cushion pad kind of a thing in your eyelash curler. You need to change that off often, as in maybe once in 6 months, maybe a year, it's okay. But you can feel it when it's actually flat, then it's not gonna do that good of a job in curling your lashes. Most times eyelash curlers come with one additional cushion pad. Most brands sell just the cushion pads online, so you need to keep changing that because otherwise it's not going to do that good of a job. And lastly, clean your eyelash curlers. I don't mean put them in your washing machine or anything. Just take maybe a wet wipe or something, not just for hygienic purposes, even for it to work. It can't have too much product on it. When you curl your lashes, it will definitely have product on it, so you want to keep cleaning them. It could even ruin your makeup if you have too much product on there. So that's enough knowledge about your eyelash curler. Moving on. Next, we need to talk about mascaras. So let me get this one thing out of the way. If you have straight lashes like mine, normal mascaras are not your friend. Honestly, they are not. You need waterproof mascaras because otherwise it's not going to hold your curl. Thing is, normal mascaras are water based. So when you curl your lashes and then put them on, it's gonna weigh your lashes down. You can literally feel them come down, right? Waterproof mascaras are basically oil based and they can hold up your curl, and there's some science behind it. But the point is, only a waterproof mascara can hold your thick straight lashes up. That's it. Honestly, I've not tried like a lot of mascaras, but from whatever I've tried, my favorite is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lash Multiplying Mascara. That's very long. But yeah, make sure to buy the waterproof one. So now I think we should just get started with my lash routine. I'm not going to be heating my eyelash curler with a hairdryer, like, no. First, you want to make sure that there's no like makeup residue on your eyelashes. Oftentimes after you do your makeup, there'll be like, you know, concealer or like some powder or some eyeshadow on your lashes. You want to clean them, because the more products there are on your eyelashes, the chances of them getting like weighted down is more. Now you need to take your eyelash curler and go at the base and start pumping. You don't want to just hold it there like that. You want to keep pumping it. I have a weird thing where I count till 20, because you don't have to do that, but I like to count till 20. So the problem with just pumping at your base is that you'll get this kind of a V looking eyelash, and this will fall down very quickly because you just have a curl at the base. You want to go back in, pump at the base, and then move forward, pump somewhere in the middle as well, and then keep moving towards the ends. And when you do that, you'll end up with a much natural looking curl. And now you don't want to waste any time. Take your waterproof mascara, important waterproof mascara, and start applying it. You want to concentrate most of the product on the base of your lash line. You want to do a kind of a wiggle motion. I like to use a bottle that I've almost used up so that there's minimal product deposit, and the newer ones I'll use as my second coat. After that, I like to take a normal mascara, not a waterproof one, and put on top of it. Sometimes even for the second coat, I'll go with a waterproof mascara, but I'm sure none of you have lashes like mine, so I'm gonna use the new Huda Beauty mascara as my second coat. You wanna try and keep this non-waterproof mascara to the tips so that you can see the ends and how long they are. Now you want to give them a couple of seconds to dry down, and in that time you want to tightline your waterline, like the upper waterline. This makes a huge difference. This makes it look like the base of your lashes are a lot more thicker. Yeah, my eyes are watering. It's okay. Okay, I need to stop crying. Now that the mascara has dried down, you want to go through them using a spoolie, like a thin one. You get those mascara combs, but I'm too scared. They look very scary, and I've seen way too many Final Destination movies to be using that. You just want to go through them and like separate them. Now I'm going to quickly do my other eye and be right back. Don't go. I need to tell you guys something very important. So I just did this eye as well. As you can see, they look much better than my straight droopy lashes. The last thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that using waterproof mascara every day is not very healthy for your lashes. Like, it requires a lot more effort to even take it out, so it might lead to your lashes falling out. So I would not recommend putting waterproof mascara every day on your eyes. I don't. On a regular basis, I only curl my lashes. Curling your lashes, if you do it with the right tool, will not cause any fallout or anything. So if anyone watching this video actually uses waterproof mascara on a daily basis, please let me know in the comments how it's been for you. If you've had any side effects, like are your lashes falling out, or is it just, do people just simply say this? I don't know. Please let me know. So that's it with my lash routine. I feel like a lot of people don't use their eyelashes to their advantage. Like, if you really develop a nice routine for yourself with your eyelashes, you don't even have to wear like kajal or eyeliner or eyeshadow or anything. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as I told you in the beginning. Bye guys!